Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AptitudeMadeEasy to Learn. I know it's been a very long since we uploaded the videos in our channel. So in this video, I came with a very interesting topic which is calendars part 2. In this video, we are going to discuss about some very important shortcuts. So these shortcuts you might not listen in any other YouTube channel. So we are discussing the very important and very interesting shortcuts for the first time in our channel upon calendars. So never miss the video and never skip the video at any point of time. So please watch the video continuously. Then why so late? Let's get into the video. Here is a small recap which we have discussed in the previous video. So in the previous video, we discussed about odd days and how to use them to find out the particular days of a week of a year, right? So here is a small glimpse about the odd days for the months. So we know that these days are allocated for these particular months and for the particular days. If anyone watching our channel for the first time and if anyone not yet watched for the first part of the calendar, please watch that one. So where we discussed what is an odd day, how to find out, how the century codes are given, all these things we discussed in the first part. So I'll give the video link in the description. So please watch that one and then come back to this if anyone not yet there. Okay. Before going to discuss the shortcuts, let's solve some basic questions and some more questions on these odd days. Like what is a particular day of a week of a year? So let's solve some questions on this one and then we can discuss the very important shortcuts, the main part of the video. Okay, let's solve few questions here. First one, what day of the week was 16th Feb 1956? So how to find out that? We know that we divided this solving into 3 steps, right? Step 1, finding odd days for the year. So how to find out? We know that we need to divide this particular year into different parts, right? So how we should divide that one? The given year is 1956. First of all, we need to write the century year of this. So which century is this one? Like 1900, right? Century year close to this one is the 1900. We need to write the previous century years always. So 1900. And after this, write down this last 2 digits of the year as it is. And what is the third part here? Simply, we need to divide this particular digit with 4, and here we need to consider quotient but not a remainder. So most of the people will get confused here, they'll consider remainder and they will end up with getting the wrong answers. But here we need to consider quotients, not reminders. So by solving this, we'll get odd days. Let's solve this. So we should not add up this 1900, we need to consider century code of this. We remember century codes, right? 100 means 5, 200 year 3, 300 year it will be 1, and 400 years, which means for every century leap year we'll be getting 0. And this will be same for every 400 years. For every 400 years the cycle will be repeated, right? Okay, 1900. So 1900, how to know the leap year, that is how to know the century code here? So knowing this is very simple. Divide this particular year with 400. So dividing 1900 with 400, what is the remainder we'll be getting? We'll get a remainder 300. So why? Because 404 will be 1600 and we'll be leaving 300 as a remainder. So which means century code of 1900 will be same as century code of 300. So what is century code of 300? 1. So we need to add 1 here, that is century code, and the 2 digits of a year as it is. Quotient 56 divided by 4. What is the quotient we'll be getting? It is nothing but 14, right? 4 14s will be 56, so 14 will be quotient. So add up this one. 56 plus 14, 70, plus 1, 71. So 71 odd days are there. Still we can divide. So divide with 7 to get the short odd days, like a less number of odd days here. 71 by 7 means only one odd day will be left over. Why? Because 7 tens will be 70. We know that. So we got only one odd day. Now what is step 2? Write down odd day for the particular month, February. What is the odd day of February? We know that odd day for February is 2. But if it is a leap year, we need to consider 1. And the given year is 1956 right here. Of course, 1956 is nothing but a leap year. Why? Because whenever we divide with a 4, we'll get remainder 0. So getting remainder 0 means it is a leap year. So as we got a leap year here, I need to consider 1 as a odd day instead of 2. Now, odd day for particular month is 1. Coming to the last step, step 3. So just we need to add up all these odd days along with the date. So what is the year odd day? 1. For 1956, we got odd day as 1. For February, it is once again 1. And finally, I need to add up date as it is. What is the date? 16th February. So 16. So we got 18 odd days, which means I can form here 2 weeks completely. So simply 18 divided by 7, remainder is nothing but a final odd day. So remainder will be 4. Why? Because 7 twos will be 14 and 4 will be left over. So 4 means here finally we got 4 odd days. So 4 odd days means for which day the code is 4. So code 4 is nothing but for Thursday. So which means the particular date 16th February 1956 falls on Thursday. Even if you want to clarify, you can check it in the Google. You can Google it and check it. We'll be getting exactly 16th February 1956 will be Thursday. So this is how we'll be solving the particular days of a week. A very simple procedure. Just we need to remember these particular month codes or days for the months. Yeah, next one. What day of the week was 8th January 1350? So let's solve this one. We should divide 1350 into 3 parts. That is, we need to find out century code for 1300 and add up the year as it is, last 2 digits of a year, 50, and quotient of year divided by 4. So first of all, I need to consider 1300. What will be century code? So how to find out that? Simply divide 1300 with 400, find out a remainder. So what is remainder I'll get here? 100. So 400 threes will be 1200. So for up to 1200, one cycle will be completed and once again the cycle will be repeated after that. So 1300 will be same as 100th year. And we know that 100 years means odd days will be 5. So which we already discussed in the previous video. So 1300 odd days code will be same as, that is century code will be same as century code of 100 years. So which means now I need to add up 5 here plus adding this year 50. And what is the quotient here we'll get? 4 12s will be 48. So 2 will be left over as a remainder. We should not bother about that. Just consider the quotient. So which means 12 will be quotient. Add up this 12 here. 50 plus 12, 62 plus 5, 67. So 67 odd days I got for 1350. But still I can simplify this one. 67 divided by 7. So 67 by 7 is nothing but what is the remainder? Remainder will be 4. So why? Because whenever we divide this, we'll get 7 nines will be 63. 4 will be remainder. That is nothing but odd days. So finally we got 4 odd days for 1350. Now, what is the month January? Is 1350 a leap year or a normal year? Obviously, it is a normal year. Why? Because it is not exactly divided by 4. So, as it is a normal year, January month code will be 6. And what is the particular date they are saying? 8. Just check it. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So, once again, we got 18 days, which is nothing but 4 odd days totally we'll get. So, considering the remainder of this, I'm getting 4 odd days. So 4 is the code for particular day, that is nothing but Thursday. So which means once again 8 January 1350 falls on Thursday. I hope everyone clear with these two problems. So these two problems are just the basic problems which we discussed based upon a concept in the previous videos. And here comes a very interesting concept and the very important shortcuts which you might not listen anywhere here. So please listen this carefully and I'll show you an example for these shortcuts also. So let's see what is this shortcut. Here is a very interesting shortcut that is great magic of same days in a year. Like in this one, we'll be discussing about the particular days. We'll be finding the particular days of a particular month in every year. So not only leap year, not only a normal year. Either it may be a century year, century leap year, normal century year. So whatever it may be, whatever year it may be. So this particular rule holds for every year. So these are very interesting shortcut. I hope you'll not find out this one in any other place also. Just concentrate on this one and listen. So see here, last day of a February. So whether February may contain 28 days or 29 days based upon a year, it doesn't matter. So consider last day of a February. So this last day of a February will be same. So for example, if it is a Monday or Tuesday, so this last day will be same as this one, 4th of 4th month. What is the 4th month? 4th month is nothing but April. So 4th of April, 6th of 6th month, which means June. June 6th and 8th of 8th month, which means August. 10th of 10th month, which is nothing but October. 12th of 12th month. So 12th month is nothing but December. So last day of February, if it is a Monday, 4th of April will also be Monday, 6th of June will also be Monday, 8th of August will also be Monday. So like this the rule follows. Similarly, this last day of February will be same as these also. 7th of 3rd month, which means March. So 7th of March, 5th of 9th month, which means September. So 5th of September and 9th of 5th month, that is 9th of May, 7th of November and 11th of July. So why I have written in it two different ways or nothing but just you can get this one very clearly if you see here. 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10, 12, 12. So as because if it is the even number of month, so if the month is an even number, so all these particular holds for same data. So you see this 4th, it is an even number. So 4th of 4th, 6th of 6th. So month number and the particular day of a month will be same day. And here it will be changing. So for March alone, it will be different, 7th of 3rd. And observe here, 5th of 9th and 9th of 5th. So just the days and month will be reversing. And 7th of 11th and 11th of 7th. So let's see this one, whether it holds or not, these particular rules, this particular shortcut for the same year. I'm considering the same present year 2022 and I'm checking these particular rules. So last day of February of the year, let's check it. So last day of February is here, 28th. There is not a leap year. So it is falling on Monday. So what they said, the first one, it will be same as 4th of 4th month. 4th month is April. Yes, 4th of 4th month is same. 6th of 6th month, which is June. Yes, it is same. 8th of 8th month. Yes, of course, August 8th is same as this one Monday. And October 10th. Yes, same it is. and 12th of 12th month. So December 12th. Yes, of course it is same, right? Now let's see for odd years. So coming from March. So March 7th, that is 7th of 3rd month, yes, it is same. And 5th of ninth month. So ninth month is September, 5th of ninth month will be same as ninth of 5th month. Ninth of 5th month, which is May, yes, same it is. And 11th of 7th month. So 11th of 7th month means 11th of July will be same as 7th of 11th month, 7th of July. So observe this. So just will not observe this one in every year, but if you try to observe these particular days, it will be very interesting. So this is a very important shortcut. So if you know it already, it's well and good. If you don't know this shortcut, just try to remember this shortcut just with the months. So remembering this is very important whenever we are solving problems on calendars. So there is one shortcut. Let's see another shortcut here, that is having same calendar years. So with this we can wind up this video and the problems on calendars series, same calendar years, which means the 2 years are said to be having same calendar years whenever they have same number of days in a year, as well as the particular date of a month will be same as another year. Like for example, if 7th of March of this year falls on let's say Tuesday, just for an example, 7th of March of this year falls on Tuesday. So whenever other year, the coming year or else the previous years, whenever the particular other year also having 7th of March as Tuesday only. So the same dates of two different years should fall on same day. Date and day should be matched along with the number of days. So not only this particular date, every day of the year should be matched. So then those 2 years are said to have same calendar years. So you might get these type of questions in most of the aptitude exams. So either it may be government exams or else the placement exams you're preparing for. So see this, just these two shortcuts are enough here. So second shortcut, it might be varying. The first shortcut will be same. So if the given year, if the asked year is a leap year, for example, consider 2000, it is a leap year. So either it may be century leap year or else a normal leap year. So if it is a leap year, the next same calendar year will be coming after 28 years, which means 2000 will be same as 2028 and this will be same as 2056. So like that, for every 28 years, leap year will be repeating as it is. So 2000 minus 28, if I want a previous case, that is 1972. So 1972 will be same as 2000. 2000 will be same as 2028. 2028 will be same as 2056. So like this, if it is a leap year, this rule holds. So otherwise, if it is not a leap year, if it is a normal year, for example, 2022, consider this 2022. So later this year, when we have the same calendar year is either after 6 years or else after 11 years. So we are not sure about this. Why? Because it is impossible to decide whether it is exactly after 6 or else 11. So we need to check manually. But for sure, we'll be getting either after 6 years or else after 11 years. This is for sure. So how to check this one now? So if it is a leap year, okay, I'll be adding 28 and I'll see it will be same as that calendar year. If it is not a leap year, then how to check? Simply go with the trial and error method. A very simple one series. So consider 1st of January of 2022. So no need to find out the exact day of this 1st of January. Just assume some date. So I will assume this day as Monday. So just I am assuming. That's it. So whenever the 1st of January of a particular year falls on Monday, those 2 years will be same. So 1st of Jan 2023. So go on checking like this. And we know that for every year, the particular day falls on the next day. If it is Monday this year, next year it will be Tuesday, right? So go on checking like this. So next year it is Tuesday. Now, 1st of January 2024. So it will be Wednesday. So day is not same. Now, 1st of January 2025. So will it fall on Thursday? Never. Why? Because observe here. 2024 is a leap year, so we should be very careful in these cases. 2024 is a leap year. So in this year, I am getting one day extra. So generally, the day will be moving to the next day. But as I am getting one day extra in a leap year, whenever we are getting leap year, if it here it is falling on Wednesday. Next year it falls on the other successive day, not Thursday. It will come to the next day, Friday. So 1st Jan 2025 will be Friday. Now go on with the next one. 1st Jan 2026. So as it is coming Friday, 2025 is not a leap year, so it will go to the next one. 2026 plus 1, that is Friday plus 1, it will be Saturday. So it is not same. So 1st Jan 2027. So it is Sunday. So which is not same. And 1st Jan 2028. Yes, now I am getting Monday. Of course, 28 is a leap year, but January will not be affected by a leap year, right? So why? Because after February only the days will be changing. So before that, the days will not be affected. So 2028 1st Jan is falling on Monday, which is same as 2022. So for how many years I am getting this one? For 6 years. So which means after 6 years from 2022, the particular year will be same calendar year of 2022. So if it is not matching with 2022, 2028 is not matching with 2022. So no need to go on with checking all others. As we know, either after 6 years or else after 11 years, the particular year will be falling same. Now, if it is not falling same as if 2028 is not same as 2022, so no need to check all this. It is not 6, then obviously it will be 11. Then just add 11 years for 2022. That is 2033. So 2033 will be same as 2022. So like that we can check it. Right. So this is another shortcut here. So that is having same calendar years. So these two shortcuts are very important. So in this video, we mainly saw about two important shortcuts. That is finding out same calendar years for leap years as well as for normal years. And the other one we find out here, having same days of a particular months in every year. So this is about calendars topic. So which are very, very important problems in any aptitude exams. I hope everyone clear. So if you see this part 1 as well as a part 2 of the calendars, you will get a better idea. So don't see only one part. So see all the parts of a video so that you'll get a better idea of the topic. And I hope everyone clear with this one. So if you have any doubts or else any a particular clarification needs to be done in the particular topic or else any other topic, so drop it in the comment section or else you can ask me in Instagram or else you can mail me. I'll post those links in the description. And finally, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who are preparing for placements as well as government jobs, which will be helpful for them. And finally, don't forget to subscribe our channel.